Welcome. In front of me is a Lenovo TAB M8, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. Now to get started, open up your settings, select storage. This will show you your SD card at the bottom right here, so click on it. When it asks you what you want to open it with, giving you these two options, you can select whichever one you want. I'll be choosing just simple files right here, the second one. And from here, you can tap on the three dots and then select storage settings, where you will see format option. When you click on it, it asks you what format you want to format it to. By default, it will be FAT32 recommended, but we also have an exFAT. I'm gonna stick with the normal FAT32. I'm gonna select next. It gives you a notification that formatting your SD card will remove all the data from it. Now, obviously, if you keep anything on your card that you don't want to get rid of, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise, this data will be completely deleted and this cannot be undone. Now, I don't have anything on this card that I want to keep, so I'm going to select Format SD card. This will automatically begin formatting it, which only takes a couple seconds and should be right about done. There we go. So click on done and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.